Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we are doing a review and it's this. It's a 2-in-1 auxiliary coiled with a 90-degree 3.5mm jack, which is that bit on the end there. Gold plated by the way. And on the other end it's got another straight one, gold plated again, 3.5mm, but also a iPhone connector there. So you can plug in either your iPhone or your Android. And the idea of the bit in the middle with the coiled cord is you can go like that, as you can see, and it shouldn't get tangled up, which it hasn't. It's about 6 foot long, like so. Feels like very good quality cabling. Doesn't look like it's going to break easy, so that's always good. And most important bit is the bit in the middle, which is that bit there. And inside there is a super audio quality codec. And the purpose of the codec is whatever device you're using, whether it be your iPhone or your Android, you plug it all in, and the quality of the music from your iPhone or your Android, if it's of good quality, the codec will reproduce that quality. So that's the idea behind it. So that's why you should pay the extra. I think it's just under £11, so it's not a lot of money for nowadays, something like that. Doesn't look much, but obviously there's a lot of technology gone into this bit in here to produce that. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 2-year warranty and a 24-hour customer service. So that all sounds pretty good. And what do I think about it? Do I think it's good? Well, we'll test it first and then I'll let you know. So let's do the test. I'm going to plug it into my phone, plug it into back of my my soundbar so we can test it. I'm going to put one of my videos on because obviously I like listening to my own voice, like so. Right, turn the volume up. Yeah, you can actually feel them buttons. That's quite nice. So you can turn the volume down, either on your phone or using the remote for the soundbar. You can do it like that or do it like that. And there's your serial number and all that. That's so. So what's it say? It says Alexa, quality, and let me have a listen. Dolby Vision Atmos. And basically it means can't see nothing wrong. Can't hear nothing wrong with the sound. The sound sounds brilliant. Turn it off. There you go. So that's what I've muted myself. I'll unplug it. Oh, turn him off. So that's it. So yeah, I think it's worth just under £11. I think it's good. So if you're looking to reproduce a really good quality sound out of your iPhone or out of your Android, and you've got an auxiliary connection to plug it into, like say a soundbar or in your car, rather than using Bluetooth because you might not have Bluetooth available, I'd recommend it. So if you have any comments, please post them below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And I'll stick a link in the description in case you decide you want to buy one. And thank you very much for watching.